Okay, so now we are going to learn about some nature places, some nature things. For example, the jungle, the desert, beach, plants, and things related to nature. Let's give it a try. The first word we have is jungla, which means jungle. Jungla, jungle, jungla. And this one sounds just like English, jungla, jungle. And the next one also means jungle, so we have two types of words. Selva, which also means the jungle. Selva, the jungle, selva. And the third one is bosque, which means forest. Bosque, the forest, el bosque, bosque, forest. And the fourth one, desierto, desert, desierto. So desierto sounds a little similar to desert. Desierto. Okay, let's try one more time. Jungla, jungle, jungla. Selva, jungle as well, selva. Bosque, forest. And desierto, desert, desierto. And we also have árbol, which means a tree. Árbol. So I think you know this word already. I'm pretty sure you know it. Árbol, tree. Árbol. And then we have plantas, plants. Plantas. Plantas, similar enough. Plantas, plants. Then we have flor, flower, flor. So flor, flower. And the fourth one, pasto, grass. Pasto. So pasto means grass. So yeah, grass. Animals eat grass. Los animales comen pasto. Okay. And let's try them one more time. Árbol, tree. Plantas, plants. Flor, flower. And pasto, grass. Pasto. Okay, and we have a long lesson. We have a lot of vocabulary in this one. The next one is insectos, which means insects. Insectos. So simple. Insects, insectos, insectos. And the next one, it also sounds like English. Animales, animals. Animales, animales. And the third one, bichos. This is a new one. Bichos. Bichos basically means bugs. Bichos, bugs. And the last one, microbios. Microbios means microbes. Microbios, microbes. Microbios. Okay, so microbios sounds like English. The only one that doesn't sound similar to English is bichos, bugs, bichos. Okay, one more time. Insectos, animales, bichos, microbios. Okay, so I think it's understandable. Let's try the examples. Oh, this one means este lugar es una selva. This place is a jungle. And you can see in the picture that it is not a jungle, it's basically his room. So if your room is very messy, your mom will probably say, tu cuarto es una selva. Your room is a jungle. Tu cuarto es una selva. Your room is a jungle. So in this one, I don't mean literally a jungle, but it can be used as a figure of speech. Este lugar es una selva. This place is a jungle. Okay. And the next one. En este desierto no hay agua. Bueno, en el desierto. En el desierto no hay agua. In the desert, there is no water. En el desierto no hay agua. En el desierto, in the desert, no hay, there is no agua, water. And let's try another example. Los árboles son plantas grandes. Trees are big plants. So simple. Los árboles, trees, the trees, son plantas grandes, are big plants. Okay, and another example. Algunas plantas tienen flores. Some plants have flowers. Algunas plantas tienen flores. Some plants have flowers. And another example. En la selva hay animales peligrosos. Peligrosos means dangerous. In the jungle, there are dangerous animals. En la selva hay animales peligrosos. There are dangerous animals in the jungle. And the next one. Algunos animales comen pasto. Some animals eat grass. Algunos animales comen pasto. Some animals eat grass. And another example. Hay muchos insectos en el bosque. There are many insects in the forest. Hay muchos insectos en el bosque. There are many insects in the forest. Another example. Oh, this one is observar, which means to observe. Estoy observando a los microbios. I am observing the microbes. Estoy observando a los microbios. I'm observing the microbes. So observar means to observe, but in this case, we conjugate estar because observando is kind of like an ing in the ing tense. I am observing. So we conjugate estoy. Same thing for English. I am observing, you are observing, they are observing. So in this case, we conjugate estar. Estoy observando. You can also say yo observo a los microbios. I observe the microbes. So yeah, you can use either way, just like in English. And one more example. En la jungla, tal vez encuentres una víbora. In the jungle, you might find a snake. Tal vez encuentres, you might find. Una víbora, a snake. En la jungla, tal vez encuentres una víbora. So, yeah, in the jungle, you might find a snake. Víbora means snake. And one more example. Le tengo miedo a los bichos. I am afraid of bugs. Le tengo miedo a los bichos. I'm afraid of bugs. Le tengo miedo. So, tener miedo is, yeah, basically, yo tengo miedo, tú tienes miedo, and if you're referring to something, yo le tengo miedo a maybe las alturas, heights, maybe, yeah, bugs, bichos, víboras. Le tengo miedo a las víboras, a los bichos, alturas, heights. So anything, le tengo miedo. I am afraid of. I'm afraid of, yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this one. And thanks for watching. Make sure you check the Quizlet for this one so you can practice a little bit more. There's a lot of vocabulary we just learned. Thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.